Sometimes your modem router may use the same default IP address as your Linksys routers. When this happens, the modem router automatically assigns a different IP address to your Linksys router. In this video, we'll show you how to find your router's current IP address using Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac devices so you can access the router's web-based setup page and manage its settings. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the Linksys router, either through Wi-Fi or a wired connection, before proceeding. On your iPhone or iPad, tap the settings icon. Next, tap Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, then tap the info icon beside it. Finally, under the router section, you'll see your router's IP address. First, tap on the settings icon. Second, tap on Connections. Then tap the name of the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. After that, tap the gear icon beside the network name. Now tap on View More at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap IP settings and change it from DHCP to static. Finally, search for Gateway and take note of the IP address displayed. This is the IP address of your Linksys router. First, type Command on the search bar and open the command prompt. Once the command prompt window is open, type ipconfig/all and press the Enter button. Look for the default gateway IP address. This is the IP address of your Linksys router. First, click on the Wi-Fi icon, then tap on Wi-Fi settings. Next, go to the network you are currently connected to. Tap the three-dot menu icon, then select Network Settings. On the next window, locate Router. The router's IP address will be displayed next to it. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find the IP address of your Linksys router. Knowing your router's IP address can help you access the router settings page and manage your network more effectively.